tan inverse of 3 plus cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. So we have to evaluate this sum. Okay, so can you explain this sum?
Yes.
Hmm.
So the value of tan inverse of root 3 is pi by 3.
Pi by 3.
Then cos inverse of minus x, we are using the formula cos inverse of minus x equals to
Hmm.
pi minus cos x.
So cos inverse of minus x is equal to, what is that?
Cos inverse of minus x,
Minus x is equal to
pi minus cos x.
pi minus
X.
cos inverse of x. So we are using that formula. So pi minus cos inverse of x. Okay, right.
So
So that
cos
is the second step.
is pi by 3.
So cos inverse of 1 by 2 is a pi by 3. Okay. Then
Pi
we take LCM.
Yes.
So 3 pi minus a pi divided by 3, that is equal to 2 pi by 3. And tan inverse of root 3 is nothing but pi by 3. Therefore, pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 3,
pi by
3
3.
pi by 3, 3 cancel. The answer is pi. Good, very good. And what about this sum, fourth sum? That is sine inverse of,
Right.
evaluate sine inverse of cos of 3 pi divided by 5. So how you have approached?
So I wrote the formula, sir. Cos sine inverse of sine inverse of
Sine inverse of, you are converting this cos 3 pi by 5 in terms of pi by 2. Is it not? That is a complementary angle. Is it not? Sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta.
function.
You have to introduce that equation, that formula, sine 90 minus theta. Is it no? So sine 90 minus theta, that is pi by 2 minus theta, is equal to cos theta. Okay, likewise, you have to introduce the formula, then proceed. Otherwise, you will get confused, right? So that is why it is pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 5. So now you have to take LCM. And once you take LCM means, what is that? 2 5s are 10. So 5 pi by 10. And this is
6.
6 pi by 10. So therefore, 5 minus 6 minus pi by 10. So this is sine inverse of sine of. Our objective is you have to.
The value.
Now, what is the formula for this one? Sine inverse of sine theta is equal to
Theta.
theta. Okay, so that is you are removing that trigonometric function, sine function. So the value is minus 10 by pi by 10. Okay, next one.
Same question. So find the value.
Secant inverse of secant pi by 3. 4 pi by 3. Okay, so how you approach this one?
So likewise, we are applying that secant formula.
So in that case,
Minus x
why you are used 90 plus theta here? That is 180 plus theta.
to get 4 pi by 3, sir. 9.
4 pi by 3. So what is this is 4 pi by 3. So that is split as
1
5 plus 3 pi by 3. That is nothing but 4 pi by 3. Okay, right. Then, so what you are doing here, you are simply taking this is in the mixed fraction and you are splitting into two fractions. For example, this is 1 and a half. That is 3 by 2. So you make it as 1 and a half and 1 plus pi, 1 by 2. So likewise. So 4 pi by 3. So 5 plus pi by 3. When you solve this, you will get 4 pi by 3. So that is the idea. So I hope now you should be able to understand that we are that is applying different strategies. In the previous sum, we adopted this complementary angle formula. In this case, we are just then so the strategy is here we are just manipulating with the LCMs only, is it not? Fraction, addition, etc. But here you are applying the complementary angle formula. Okay, so so I hope now it is easy. So once you are able to get secant inverse of secant means secant of secant, that is equal to what about this one? Minus
secant pi
okay.
by 3.
Okay, then
Minus
5 by 3. Okay, then
minus x is pi minus secant x, secant inverse x.
okay,
We are applying the formula.
minus 2. Okay,
Pi minus pi.
so pi minus secant of
2 is pi.
So pi minus pi by 3, that is 2 pi by 3. Okay, very good. The next one,
Well,
12th, x is equal to cosecant inverse of minus 1 by root 2. Okay. So here cosecant x that is equal to minus root 2. Why?
so I gave him the cosecant to
Okay. Then
cosecant
that
x.
is the inverse operation we are making as cosecant x. Okay.
So
Then cosecant x is equal to minus root 2 means minus root 2 is nothing but minus of cosecant of pi by 4. Therefore, you can relate x is equal to minus pi by 4. Very good. And this one, cot inverse of x is equal to 0. And you have to find out, evaluate x.
Yes, sir.
So in that case, what you take? Cot x is equal to, you are taken as cot theta. So cot theta, what is that? Cot
Theta equals to
theta. So cot theta is equal to x by 1. Okay, in that case,
yeah,
sin theta is equal to, so you are just a substitute.
tan
We have found out the
hypotenuse.
hypotenuse based on this Pythagoras theorem. So the clue here is Pythagoras theorem. Okay, then this one, tan inverse of
Find the value.
2 sine of 2 cos inverse of root 3 by 2. So you know root 3 by 2, cos inverse of root 3 by 2 is nothing but pi by 6. And simultaneously you have to check the quadrant also. So 3, so pi by 3, so 2 sine pi by 3, and 2 into sine pi by 3 is root 3 by 2, 2 2 cancelled. So tan root 3 is nothing but pi by 3. That's good. Next.
No.
Secant inverse of 1 by 2. So actually 1 by cos of
1
what?
by 2.
1 by cos inverse of. Is it not?
Cos inverse of 1 by 2.
1 by cos inverse of 1 by 2. That is 1 by 3. So that is not in the range. Okay. This one?
Unfortunately.
Okay. Right.